All right, guys, we got you guys today a 2007 Chevy Cobalt 4-cylinder. What we got done on, got that nice blue color. 2.5, there's the stock converter. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. We custom bent it all the way into a rumble. He brought his own muffler, a rumble exhaust, part number R22541. There'll be a link in the description. It's basically, and it's made in Mexico. Basically, Flowmaster knockoff right there. And then a custom tailpipe right there. Came out really clean, as you guys can see, right there. All the way back. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. And if you really, really like it, make sure you press that like and share button. There it is, Chevy Cobalt. So he's seen one on our videos. He said it was 101 Cobalt. He wants it to be higher than that. So hopefully we have accomplished it. Go ahead. Not bad. Sound decibels? 106! Awesome! So, it passed it. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Chevy Cobalt. Ooh. She sounds good. She looks good. Oh,